In your chapters, I want to say something. Students, first you will see the video, after that you will read that chapter page number wise, which I have given in your home assignment, because this helps you to understand the chapter clearly. Now I will continue my chapter. Let's start.
In this chapter we will do Unit 3 Commands and Statements. Commands mean order. They are single words which tell the computer to do certain specific tasks. Some are executable commands while some are non-executable commands. Executable statements or commands are those that have a specific actions, while non-executable are the one which is used to specify arguments, initial value or provide characteristic to a data. They are single words which tell the computer to do certain specific tasks. The different commands used in QBasic are, for example, CLS, clear screen, run, to run the program, save, to save the program which we have made in QBasic, exit, to exit from the QBasic language, etc. These are the commands. There are two types of command, external command or internal commands. External commands are those commands which are not inbuilt in MS-DOS or Windows. To read those external files, we need an internal file that can interpret those commands. In a modern operating system, the QBasic commands are not inbuilt, which means it does not come pre-installed. Means when we are purchasing the computer, these commands are not pre-installed in that system. So those QBasic commands are external commands which are not pre-installed in the computer system. So we need to install that QBasic in our computer, which will then interpret those external QBasic commands. However, internal commands are those commands which are inbuilt Windows commands. Means when we are purchasing a computer, the internal commands are preloaded into the system. There are no need for any external files to interpret those commands. Internal commands are the same in all versions of Windows. Example of internal commands are del to delete the file, mkdir to make a directory, copy to copy a file or directory, cls to clear the screen, date to change the date or update your computer, ran, volume, etc. You can get all the commands by typing help in command prompt in Windows. All versions of MS-DOS and Windows have the same internal commands, but they have different external commands. Now statements. A command or instruction in a QBasic is called a statement. They are set of instructions which can be used in a group. They are used to write programs to obtain a desired output from the computer. The different statements available in QBasic are let, input, if then, print, read data, if and if, for next, etc. Some commands and statements used in QBasic are, first is CLS. CLS means to clear the content of the program and the output screen. QBasic provides two different types of screens. CLS means clear screen. This command is used to clear the screen if there are some output or results on your screen that you want to clear or erase. The syntax of CLS command is you will write simple CLS. Now I will tell you CLS command are of two types. A screen for writing the program. There are two types of screen. A screen for writing the program An output screen for showing the result of the program after execution. Means the screen where we will write the program, that is the first screen, and the second screen is an output screen for showing the result, the program which we have written, and on second screen we can see the result of our program after execution. It is advised to see the output of a program on a clear screen. It also allows the user to study the desired output of the program. This can be done by using CLS command at the beginning of the program. If we will not use CLS command at the beginning of the program, then we will confuse, because the previous program is also on the screen, and the new program which we are making, that is also on the screen. So we cannot distinguish about the previous program and the program which we are making that time. So we will use the CLS command to clear the screen. Print. This command statements print the statement or data written after it on the output screen. If you want to print a sentence or string, then you have put inside double quotes. Means you will write that sentence or string in double quotes. And if you want to print a variable or a number, you can just write after the print command. The syntax of print command is print then expression which you want to print on the screen. For example, it is a variable or a number. Print age. Print 30. If it is a string, then you will write print. This is a print command, and you will write that command in double quotes. This is the print command which used to show a result after execution of the program. Input. Now next is input command. This command is used to take data from a user. It can accept both string and number. Means you can write in sentence the data, and you can write in numbers all that data. If the input data is a number, then the variable name in which the number is to be stored is written directly after the input command. Syntax input, then this is string if you are writing a variable. For example, input year. And if the input data is string, then the variable name in which it is to be stored is written after input command followed by $sign. Example, input names, and that is the followed by the $sign when we are using a string. Now let command. This command is used to assign a value to a variable. The value can be string or number. Syntax let variable is equal to expression. You will write like this. When you will use the let command, then you will write like this. Let, then variable. Suppose you are taking variable x, a, that you will write here, and the expression which you want to execute on the program. Now end. End command is used to terminate a QBasic program. When we are using end command, that will stop the program. This statement is written at the end of a program to let the computer know that it is the end of the program and to terminate the process. Syntax end. The end command will not be followed by any expression or any string. Now next is ram command. Ram. This is a remark command. This is non-executable statement. It is written within a single quote. The syntax of is this. Syntax, then ram means remark, which you will write in here. Line input. This statement allows to input data at a time and assign it to a single variable. For example, syntax line input string and string variable. For example, line input and the string which you want to print, please enter the data, and data variable is n, and that variable string variable followed by the $sign, which I have explained earlier. Now list of external QBasic command. These are the internal Now these are the external QBasic commands. First, start the MS-DOS QBasic environment. This command \B, it allows us to use a monochrome monitor with a color graphic card. \editor, it start the MS-DOS editor, Microsoft this operating system editor. G provides the fastest update of the CGA screen. Works only with machines using CGA monitors. If you see some dot flickering on your screen, that means your hardware cannot fully support this option. H display the maximum number of lines on your screen. MBF, it converts IEEE numbers to Microsoft binary format numbers. NOHI, this command allows us to use a monitor that does not support high intensity. Run to execute a QBasic program. Syntax drive, then path, then file name. For example, QBasic is the drive, then run hello.bas is the file name. BAS is the extension of the QBasic file. It will open the hello QBasic program. Now some more terms I will explain you. There the different options represent in the file menu are explained below. These you can see in the file option. New program. New program, it allows the user to clear the working memory for fresh storage of the next program. Means it will make a new program. Open program, it allows the user to open an existing program which is already stored in the main memory of the computer. Save as, it allows the user to save the current program in the computer's memory for future use. Print, it allows the user to get a hard copy of the current program. Suppose we have make a program on screen and we want a hard copy, means we want the printout of that program on the paper, that is known as the hard copy. So we will this command will use print. Exit, it allows the user to quit QBasic and return to the desktop. Hope you all understood this command and statement. Now we will make some program by using these commands. Suppose we are making a program to print your name, class, roll number and school using print statement. Here we are using print statement. First we will write CLS for clear screen. Now you will write, you want to print your name, then you will write print and you will write that name in double quotes because this is a string and string write in double quotes. Name colon Amandeep. You can write your name also here. Second, class. Now print class 6A. Print roll number 30th. All statement which you want to print, that statement you will write in double quotes. Print, then school name you will write here, then end. When you will, you can write run also here. Run is also used for execute the program, and you can press F5 keys from the keyboard. F5 means function 5 key. You can press. Otherwise, you will write RUN. Both work are same. Then the output will come when you will press F5 key. Then the output will come name Amandeep, class 6A, roll number 38, and school Doon Valley Public School, Johri. Which you have, which statement you will write in, you have written in double quotes. That statement will come in the form of output. Hope you all understood this program. Now next program, write a program in QBasic to display a message in 3 lines using RAM command. In this program we use print statement, but in this program we will use write 3 line message, and we will use RAM command, means remark statement. CLS, in each and every program we will write first CLS, then RAM, a program to display message, then print, this is the message which you want, print welcome to QBasic, print we are learning QBasic, print enjoy learning. We are using RAM statement followed by the print statement. then and press F5 keys, the output will come like this. In RAM program, we will write RAM, then a program to display message. The remark which we will write, that is the RAM we are using. When we are using only print statement, that time we will not use this line. We will not write this line. Hope you all understood this program. You will try this and make new programs which you want to show. If you have any problem, you can ask me through mail. Do your work on time. Thank you, students.